Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can recover extracted audio in CapCut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut mobile application, and first of all, I'm going to open the project I have just created. This is my project and I'm going to click on it. Okay, and as you can see guys that I have extracted audio from this video, and if you want to recover the extracted audio, we can tap on the video and then scroll all the way to the right until you find the recover audio. Okay, this one, click on this option, and now the extracted audio has been recovered, and I'm just going to delete the extracted audio. Okay, now it's done. Alright guys, and that's all the way to recover extracted audio in CapCut Mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.